Fel sy'n dweud chiad leis, bys sydd eisiau gerstau, leis y darn leis, yn eisiau chiad na'r eisiau cyn fo hart, nes get studies a cwsyn i fi gael fyd y deisynsa, a na clwychyd yn y cwrtich yn ulig an y Joe Hoons, mae'r sy'n eisiau dolach leinti, o'n y manager sy'n miorach ag i'r cwsyn eich a chlub y draste, sio Gary Locke.
Club means a lot to me. You know, we are going through a difficult period at the moment, but certainly with the support that we've got and the backing that they've given us all season, this club's got a massive future.
A manager Hearts Gary Locke er eigile hiano go spirit na clwychyd yn og ag y hogal.
Nothing worse than a player coming into his work and he's not enjoying it. So what we always try and do is we always try and get them to enjoy the training. Obviously we work hard when we're in here, but something we pride ourselves on is that the boys like coming in. And I think that's certainly the case.
Do you have a job at all lifting the players at training, or does that just take care of itself?
Well, sometimes it can be difficult because obviously there's a couple of occasions where we've been on runs where we've not been winning games, and obviously that can dent the confidence. So it's important that we try our best to encourage them all the time. I think young boys, certainly my time as a young lad, I think you respond a lot better to encouragement rather than criticism. So we've tried to make sure, obviously there is occasions where we've felt we've had to give them a bit of criticism because there's been games where we've not been happy, but I think in the main, we try and encourage the young boys as much as we can.
What's the role of the senior players at the club just now?
Well, we've not got many, but they've played a huge part. I think they showed their commitment to the cause in the summer when they all took wage reductions. I think that was a mark of every one of them. And they showed, one of the pleasing things for me, from my point of view, is that all the players that are here, they want to be here and they want to play here, and that's maybe something you couldn't have pointed at. A lot of Hearts players in the past, some are probably just here for the money, but certainly in my time here, the young lads, they all want to be here, they all want to do well, and we have made our mistakes this season, there's no doubt about it. But in an ideal world, they'd be making these mistakes in the reserve team, but unfortunately for us, we've never really had that problem this year because I've all had to play in the first team. One thing I'd like to strengthen, is bring in a few experienced players, because it's great. We've got Rudy Scatchell obviously training with us at the moment, and even when the young lads are training with him, they can learn so much. The positions he picks up on the pitch, the way that he talks, the way that he finishes. And if we had one or two more of these types of players, I'm sure our young players would get better even quicker.
Being a Hearts fan, a Hearts player, it must be a dream job for you being manager, but is it tough to enjoy it given the circumstances?
Yeah, I think, certainly when I took the job, at the time, people will probably say, no, you're a young man, you're a young coach, are you quite ready for it? But as you say, being a Hearts man and given the opportunity to manage Hearts, it certainly wasn't something I was going to turn down. But I certainly didn't foresee, everything that was going to happen. When you get your first job, you obviously looked at it and thought, well, we're one of the biggest clubs in the country, what a chance I've got to make a success of it. And then, you come to the summer, you get into administration, you lose all your best players, you then get told you have to go with youngsters, and then you also get told that there's a chance the club might not survive, so it certainly wasn't easy. But certainly it's been a steep learning curve, and hopefully something that will stand me in good stead for the future.
Ha Hearts halst aan de Rienuch agus ei gadgeche nach ile ro hulle who we down brichech.
There's still a long way to go as far as I've made to be aware. Trevor Birch and Brian Jackson have been fantastic, and as much they let us know everything that's going on. They're obviously trying to get the shares, which would make a huge difference to the club going forward. I'm hoping that something might happen with that in the not too distant future. But as Brian says, we're still a long way away. There's still a big battle ahead, and I think it's important that everyone realises that.
Is there a target as to when the club would like to be out of administration? Have you set a deadline or a target?
Well, that's not really a question I can answer. I can only concentrate on the football side of things. Brian and Trevor are the ones that are handling all that side of things, and I'm sure if they've got any news, they'll let everybody know.
You've got a League Cup semi-final against Inverness coming up. How much of a lift is that going to give the players in the club?
Yeah, it's a great achievement for such a young squad to get to a semi-final of a major cup competition. We know it's going to be difficult. Inverness have done very well this year, and we've got a great manager under John Hughes. So it'll be a hard game for us, but we'll be backed again by a huge Hearts support. It's at Easter Road, the home of our big rivals. So know, hopefully we can go down there and put in a good performance, and you know, if you turn up on the day, you know, you're one game away from a final.
Hallis manager Billy Brown gyfieg y clwb ys o'n mis ilas drwy a cwn an dŵreng i'r iach yn sio hyn.
I'm delighted to have Billy with me because you know he's a guy that I've got a lot of faith in. I trust him, you know, 100%, and he's been a massive help to myself and the rest of the backroom team. I think it's just all about the club surviving. I tend not to look too far because, you know, as I say, there's a lot of lads here that their contracts are up in the summer, myself included. So we just take every day it comes because, you know, as I say, we have got a long way to go, and we hope that, you know, we can get ourselves sorted out off the pitch. Hopefully we can do a lot better on it.